Dong sounds the brass in the east. By Henry David Thoreau. By Alan Davis Drake. Dong sounds the brass in the east, as if to a funeral feast. But I like the sound the best out of the fluttering west. The steeple ringeth a knell, but the fairies' silver bell is the voice of that gentle folk, or else the horizon that spoke. Its metal is not of brass, but air and water and glass, and under a cloud it is swung, and by the wind it is rung. When the steeple tolleth the noon, it soundeth not so soon, yet it rings a far earlier hour, and the sun has not reached its tower. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.